Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to enable interest on cash on trading 212. So go to your settings and over here before we start just go to use my promo code and use please my promo code to get to up to $100 in stocks for free. So just go over here to interest on cash and just click simply on enable over here, and that's it. Euros are 2.20%, USD 4.10%. So if you have maybe dollars, you will have the best interest and you will have a free money from only interest for free. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and I will see you in the next one. Peace.